Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and this is the Alienware Area 51M, which Dell says is the world's most powerful, upgradable gaming laptop. Let's take a look. The Alienware 51M has a new industrial design language, and you can quickly see that it looks very different from previous Alienware laptops. It's built with magnesium alloy, which conserves weight while maintaining rigidity. The 51M is Alienware's first laptop to support Intel's 9th Gen 8-core desktop processors. It is also their first notebook to support 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, up to 64 gigs of memory, and 3-sided narrow bezel display with 144Hz G-Sync technology. For graphics, you get up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080. Upgradability is a major feature here. You can upgrade the GPU, CPU, RAM, SSD, and Wi-Fi card. For the 17.3-inch anti-glare display, you get options for 60Hz or 144Hz. NVIDIA G-Sync technology and 5th Gen Tobii eye tracking technology are also optional. Let's now talk about the ports. On the right side, there are two USB Type-A ports. On the left, there's USB-C Thunderbolt 3, another USB Type-A port, a headset jack, and another audio jack which you could task to a headphone or a microphone. On the back, there's HDMI 2.0, Mini Display 1.4 that supports NVIDIA G-Sync, Ethernet port, Alienware graphics amplifier port, and dual DC power inputs. When it comes to the keyboard, it features a 2.2mm key travel, anti-ghosting technology, per-key RGB lighting, N-key rollover technology, and steel backplate for rigidity and uniform feedback. Alienware is calling their new Thermaltake CryoTech 2.0. The company says it's their most robust notebook cooling solution yet. The Area 51M has a 90 watt-hour battery, but most users will be using this gaming laptop while plugged in. It comes in two colors, Lunar Light and Dark Side of the Moon. It will be available starting January 29, 2019 from $2,549. So, what do you think of the new Alienware 51M? Let us know in the comments. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.